Well, let's get started by opening Excel, and then we want to browse to our Excel 2K Expert folder in My Documents and open Excel Test Expert. And on the Prices tab, let's click on cell C3 and then click in the name box and type MON price and press the enter key. Then let's click the new button to create a new workbook, and in cell A3 let's type monitor, and in A4 let's type CD-ROM, and then let's click in B3 and type the equal sign, and then let's go to the Windows menu and select Excel Test Expert and click in C3 and press enter. And now let's go back up, and we note that the formula is using the name that we gave. Now let's click in B4 and type the equal sign, and again go to the Windows menu and select Excel Test Expert, click in C5 and press the enter key, and here we'll see that it's used the cell reference. Now let's go to the Windows menu, select Excel Test Expert, and go to the File menu and Save As, and we'll change the name to Excel Expert Working, WKG for working, and click the Save button, and then let's go to the Windows menu and select Book 2, and we'll note that the formulas are now using that new name that we saved the workbook as. So now let's go to the File menu and save this one, File, Save As, and we'll call this XLX Working 2, and save. And now let's go to the File menu and close this workbook. Now right click on cell B2 and select delete, and we want to delete the entire row, and OK. Now let's go to the File menu and click on XLX Working 2 to open it again. And we'll note that the named formula is the correct price, but the other price has changed because it's looking at that same cell, but because we deleted a row, it's looking at the wrong cell. So let's close that one without saving it, and let's go to the Edit menu and Links and Open Source, and now let's go to the Windows menu and select our XLX Working 2, and we'll note that the price is correct. Let's go back to our Excel Expert Working and close that, and now let's go to the Edit menu and Links and change source, and double click on Excel Test Expert, and OK. And OK. And now we can close